Hi, today I'm going to share with you the American Crafts kit for resin that we have in, and it's a great kit. Once you open it, we'll go into all of the things that are included here. First of all, you have a wood piece to do your resin on, glitter, also a little guide that tells you how to do resin, a tablecloth. Put the tablecloth down to get started. The piece of wood that they give you, I do recommend that you tape around the entire part of it just so the resin doesn't drip around the bottom. So here we're just going to take our own painter's tape. This is not included in the kit, but I do recommend that you tape the back for a clean back portion. Now, gloves are also included in the kit. Make sure you put on your gloves when you work with the resin. We'll want to prop up our piece above, just so the resin has somewhere to drip off and drip around the corners. Set that aside. All right, now time to start mixing. We'll take the measuring cups, and this part is very important. You want it equal parts. The resin and the hardener is very, very important. So we'll go ahead and pour the resin in. Next, we will pour the hardener in. We want this to be the exact same amount. And so I'm just pouring it. It's nice that these are clear cups so we can clearly see that we have equal parts. Then I will take each of them, pouring the resin in first to a third cup, scraping the sides. You'll want to make sure you get all of that out. And next I'll take a separate stir stick and scrape out all of that hardener into the resin. Scraping all the sides, getting it all out, and then we're going to mix for 2 minutes. As you're mixing, you want to make sure you pull up around the sides, mix, mix, mix. And it's great, this box comes with the kit, and this is actually what you'll put your piece in to let the resin drip off and everything. So I've got my resin mixture here that we mix for 2 minutes. I'm gonna get more portion cups out, and this is what we're gonna mix our dye in. So this kit comes with dye as well. So I'm just putting a little bit in each cup, portioning it out. I do like to leave a little bit of resin clear. I'm shaking up the blue, and whoops, got to cut that little top off. Don't forget about that. This is all in your prep work. So here I've got a little pink, mixing that up, and this dye is included in the kit as well. So many great things in this kit. Now you want to make sure you mix it just so the color mixes in very well with the resin. You don't have to do this part for 2 minutes. Just mix it well. All right, there you saw I cut that little top off, and then I'm mixing the blue resin. Such a pretty color. Here's the light blue. Cut that little top off. You just need to snip off a little bit, and then we will mix this up with another popsicle stick. Again, the dyes do come in the kit. And this is the white that I'm pouring in now. All right, now it's time to pour. I've got my beautiful colors, and I'm gonna start with this pink, and I pour it towards the center of the board, center top. That's where I'm starting with this, and I'm gonna scrape it all out. I wanna make sure I use all of that resin and spreading it around with the popsicle stick. And this is just going to be an abstract piece. Just having fun, figuring it all out. Next, I'm taking the light blue, pouring it on. I've got all of my resin poured on here now, and pretty happy with that. I like how it looks. You can take a heat tool if you'd like, and the heat tool, actually you're going to want to do this, just lightly go over it back and forth, and that's going to pull out any bubbles. Then you can actually take your resin piece and tilt it. This is fluid medium, so it will drip, and you can choose how you want your sides to look. If you want them drippy on the sides like this pink is, I love that natural kind of artistic look about it. You don't have to maneuver it around, but it's kind of fun to see how the resin flows. Really spreads out. I like the exposed wood edge on the bottom as well. I hope you enjoyed this Crankin' Out crafts with our resin craft from American Crafts. Have a happy holiday.